what's good guys, welcome back to another trading video. This video and series actually is going to be a little different because I'm going to start a series called turning $100 into $1,000. So this will be the intro along with another intro for the whole series, just to introduce new people to what the series is about and then get into the whole video after. So basically, this series is going to be turning $100 into $1,000. I'm going to prove to you guys that it's possible. Anyone can do it with starting out with $100. Now, obviously, trading is a big risk. I don't condone actually trying it out unless you're prepared. You know, start demo trading, paper trade, whatever it is. Also, don't take this series as financial advice at all. I'm just teaching you guys how to trade with a demo account, basically. I'm using a live account, but you guys use demo to copy, basically. All right, this series wouldn't have been made possible without the help of my new brokerage partner, and this broker is one of the best brokers in the game. They're called TIO Markets, and the reason why they're the best is because they include everything. They have forex, commodities, indices, and even futures and crypto all in one. And they have unlimited leverage and lowest spreads in the game. The lowest spreads, they have multiple different options. They have Islamic account, VIP, VIP Black, standard spread, and whatever. There's much more. So guys, go ahead and check them out. Link in the description. So again, this series wouldn't have been made possible without them. I'm going to be using them this series and for my future, rest of my future live accounts that I'll be trading with. So go ahead and click the link in the description. It also supports me as well as an affiliate and as a partner as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and support me, click the link in the description down below. Okay, so we are on the chart right now, and what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be using my phone to put my trades in MetaTrader. Here, I'll show you guys my... So basically, I'm starting off with $70 US, as you can see, $70, okay? What this means, because I know it says $100, basically I'm Canadian, so this is in USD. $70 US is 100 Canadian. And the reason why I put 100 Canadian instead of 100 US is to show you guys that you can make money with your own currency wherever you are around the world. I could have easily put in 100 USD, but I want to make this as less biased as possible, basically. So starting off with $70 US, which is $100 Canadian. So technically, yes, we did put in $100, and we're planning to take out $1,000 Canadian. Okay, so we're gonna start off with $70. So I'm gonna use MetaTrader. This is the app I'm using, MetaTrader 5, and the broker, yes, only is on MetaTrader 5 and 4. But anyways, let's go. We're gonna start out by charting out today's session. So we didn't end up taking any trades today, but we're gonna chart out the trades. So first day, we're gonna grab our rectangle tool, check out if we have any order blocks, which we do. This is an order block right here, so we're gonna mark that out. Yo, this is editor OCT here. I'm just this is me in the future actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you guys the chart currently now, just to prove to you guys that hey, we still haven't tapped into our you know, stuff that we drew out, our order block and stuff. So the reason being is we couldn't take a trade today. I just want to show you guys that we are getting ready for tomorrow's video. So don't worry, we're still in this. I'm gonna prove to you guys you can actually make money doing this. And yes, I'm gonna keep all the losses. Everything's gonna be transparent to you guys. You guys will see everything documented. If I lose, if I win, it doesn't matter. You guys will see it firsthand. Okay, so this is like way after. I'm just showing you guys that we didn't actually hit the order block just yet. We are still consolidating because I already knew Asian session was consolidation. So that's why I marked this out for tomorrow. Today we couldn't trade because we missed out on the 9:30 mark. That's the only reason why I'm waiting for tomorrow's trade. I kind of did this video a little bit later than my usual time that I trade. Tomorrow I'll be awake and trading at 9 AM in the morning, around 8:30 to 12, around there. I'll be recording and taking a trade between those times. So yep, just an update for you guys, and I'll let you guys continue the video. This is not much. This series is not much of a what's it called? lesson. It's more of a, can I do this? It's to prove to you guys I could, or anyone could. You know what I mean? Okay, so we've marked out our order block for the day. What else can we mark out? We can mark out market structure shift and liquidity sweeps. So this is a liquidity sweep / market structure shift. You can kind of call it that twice actually. Here we can mark out, this is liquidity, this is market structure. Shift it upwards. And then for now, that's all we have. We have failure to create a lower low. Over here, this is a failure to create a lower low. So I'm just going to measure that. What else? That's showing us price action as bullish. Price is starting to go up. So currently our sentiment is bullish. Our 1 hour, let's see how the 1 hour is looking like. Same thing. 2 hours is the same thing. 4 hours, same thing. So on the 4 hour, we're at a market structure shift, but we have yet to, we have to enter up on these levels up top. So this over here is an order block. So I'm going to mark out this 4 hour order block, which on the 1 hour is still valid. Okay, so this is an order block up here. We have to mark out a fair value gap after a market structure shift. Let's see if we find one, and we do. It's right here. This is a fair value gap that's up top. The first fair value gap that formed after this market structure shift. Right here. Okay. This is going to be our entry zone for sells, and this is going to be our entry zone for buys down here. So price is going to, we're going to, for tomorrow's trade, we're going to wait for price to enter off. Hopefully it doesn't enter off today, but if it does, it's okay. Tomorrow, we're going to hope that it enters into this order block zone. We can go for buys, and then it's going to bounce between these two zones. So it's going to go from this order block to this order block. We can go for buy and sell. Okay. And then we could play from there, play by ear basically, and see where we can go. So that's just step one. That's first video done. First video of the series. Obviously, every video will be longer, but this is just starting out. We got a chart. So basically, how it's going, the layout is going to be is chart out and trade. Every trade we successfully do, or even if we fail, whatever one, we're gonna chart out again. So every new day we chart out for the next day, so we're ready to you know, trade. Okay. So starting out, this is what I'm going to be doing. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao. All right, everyone. So this is day 2. I woke up a little bit late, but I did see that we were actually, we made some moves. So basically we tapped into this order block, we went up, we failed to actually create a higher high, so price came down, closed below this order block and liquidity, sweeping liquidity at the bottom and the back, and then breaking this order block, making it a breaker block, and price shot back up, tapping into these order blocks and fair value gap, and also this order block and fair value gap, and price is now bearish. So what I did is I clicked sell. So here we sold and we are up $1. Okay, we're up, we're not a couple cents, and we keep going in the red and the blue here and there. As you can see, we're still on the $70 mark. So that's basically it. Right now we're just gonna wait. I'll come back to you guys in about an hour or so, or whenever it hits TP. Our TP zone will be about here. Let's say we did sell starting off here. Our take profit will be just at this liquidity zone here, and our stop loss will just be at this market structure shift level up top. Okay, and yeah, we'll be back right in about an hour or so, or whenever this hits TP. All right, everyone. So basically, I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how much I made. So as you can see over here, we made 12 bucks. Bro, can it focus? Damn. Right there. Anyways, you guys saw it. We made 12 bucks. So we sold NAS futures, and we made 12 bucks and 37 cents. So we're $12.37 up on the day, and we're gonna go ahead and do the next day. So I'm not gonna trade today. Today my hands are off the charts, and 12 bucks from $70 is actually pretty good. In hindsight, if I've put $700, it would have made 120 relative to the account size. So yeah, 12 bucks is pretty good. And let's get right into the next day.